Welcome to Seurasaari, a tranquil island located just a short distance from the heart of Helsinki, Finland. Standing as a gateway to this picturesque island is the iconic Seurasaari Bridge. Whether you're strolling across its weathered planks or admiring its architecture from afar, the Seurasaari Bridge invites you to embark on a journey through time and nature. Nestled amidst the tranquil waters of the Baltic Sea, Seurasaari is a living museum of traditional Finnish architecture. From quaint cottages to majestic manors, every structure on this island tells a story of craftsmanship and resilience. As you wander through the winding paths and leafy groves, you'll encounter centuries-old buildings that have stood the test of time. Whether it's the rustic charm of a traditional farmhouse or the grandeur of a stately mansion, each building reflects the rich cultural heritage of Finland. So take a step back in time and immerse yourself in the timeless beauty of Seurasaari Island, where every corner is a testament to the enduring legacy of Finnish architecture. From high above, Seurasaari Island unfolds like a tapestry of natural beauty and historic charm. Here, amidst the verdant forests and rustic buildings, lies a timeless world waiting to be discovered. Soaring high above, Seurasaari Island invites you to embark on a journey of exploration and wonder. Behold, the Karuna Church, the oldest building in the Seurasaari Museum. Built in 1685-86 by Baron Arvid Horn, owner of the Karuna Manor in Salvo, this church is a remarkable testament to Finland's rich architectural heritage. Transported to the museum in 1912, the Karuna Church stands as a cherished relic of centuries past. The warm glow of candlelight illuminates the wooden pews and the intricately carved altar. The church is adorned with religious artifacts and features rustic wooden beams and delicate stained glass windows. And as we bid farewell to this island sanctuary, we're reminded that the journey doesn't end here. The Seurasaari Museum will be open to visitors from May 15th to September 15th, 2024. So mark your calendars and join us in the coming year as we once again embark on a voyage through time and tradition.